Cameraman here, folks. We got Stuntman over here. We got us an open exhaust Kia Spectra. Folks, for whatever reason, we don't know, these things rip. Okay? It is an automatic. It's a Prindle. It's not a chopstick. But let's just see.
Let me tell you all how dumb my brother is, okay? We have not tested.
You only have one
car.
brother, so I don't know of a dumb brother.
Okay, and he's talking with all this confidence. And it's obvious why he's got confidence, because of my past performances and experiences.
Oh my God.
Okay, so he's telling me, oh, it's definitely gonna rip. We don't know if it's definitely gonna rip. I now have to prove myself. I now am under the gun. Pressure's on me. And once again, I probably will prevail. I want to point something out. This is going to be short notice for any of you. And I don't even know when we're going to post this. Might be after the fact. Today's Saturday. We're in Juarez, Mexico. We're going to fly back to Long Island. And we have a meet going on. I'm going to be showing up with the Viper Hennessy. My son with the Mustang. 800 plus horsepower. What the hell do they call that? Something or other.
Fast. We call it fast.
Call it fast.
All right, start it up. Rev it up. Rev it up. With the hood up, folks. What did I say, folks? These Kias rip. Ladies and gentlemen, it was bought off a 70-year-old man. This thing's never seen over 2,500 RPM. Not bad for a kid your age. Am I proving myself? Should I drop the hood for safety? No! Ladies and gentlemen, am I on the wrong side of the burnout by some crazy chance? Everybody, did he scream out? The HD 2500! No, I didn't.
Because we got another surprise.
Hold on, let this guy, hold on. The HD 2500! I'm not so concerned anymore about the HD 2500.
Listen, we have a surprise for you guys that has something to do with the HD 2500. We're not telling you yet, but it's a surprise.
Oh.
I'm not done yet either. I'm not saying I'm going to do as much to go make a new bowl of popcorn, but at least finish your soda.
Yeah. Not bad, not bad. Hold on a minute.
I'm practicing for tomorrow's event on Long Island.
Let's just redline it a little bit and then park it.
I had to! The
I say we park it.
No, I gotta call. Get over here.
Yeah.
Get over here.
Yeah.
I gotta call out some of those other channels, and they go, "This is what a neutral drop is." What you do is you put the car in neutral. I don't care if a car's coming.
Oh.
I'm doing a video.
1 second.
And say, you put the car in neutral.
Hold on.
And then what you do is,
Hold on.
let me show an imposter. He's honking at me. Shove it up your ass. Let me show an imposter video. This is there. You go, get in close. You put it in neutral, then you drop it in drive. Right? When I see that, I'm looking for vaginas. Because this is how you do it. You ready? And we are out.
Sayonara, Kia.